What's happening, everybody? Welcome to Miguel's Garage, and we're picking up where we left off with my exhaust. If you remember, I bought the two Dragger exhausts, and I installed one on the red Supra that I have here. As you can see, I have it installed, but I had an issue with one of the gaskets, and as I explained in one of the videos, this gasket that I had was just way too thick, and so it was pushing, I think, pushing the exhaust back and making it hit the chassis. So I finally found some gaskets. I went to A&A Auto locally, and I found some Vibrant 3-inch gaskets, 11 bucks. So pretty cool. We're gonna put these gaskets on, and hopefully that solves the problem, and we can go and maybe do some burnouts. I don't know. All right, so the exhaust is installed. There is some touching. The exhaust is still hitting the chassis. I'm gonna have to put a bracket to kind of like hold it down. Let me show you that real quick. See, when I move the exhaust here, oh, well, actually now it's really touching here with the transmission mount. So it's not really moving, but it's gonna be vibrating as the engine runs. And there's a little bit of touching back here. Let me put the camera down. You hear that? But we're gonna keep it as is. Let's see how it goes, and if we have to make any adjustments, then we'll make some adjustments. And so now I think the battery's there, so we'll get the jumper and try to get it started. Joe, you want to give me a hand?
Sure.
Let's do it. All right, you ready?
Yes, sir.
Not enough juice.
Wow. Let's see if this. Oh, it's not on. It's not to be on.
Yeah, well, it is on.
Oh,
Let's see. Probably the battery's just way too dead.
Ooh.
Maybe my starter's going.
Oh,
already sounds a lot better in here. It's got enough bass, but no drone, zero drone. It's a lot quieter than I generally like it to be. But you know what? I feel the engine breathing a lot better already than with the older exhaust. Because I mean, the other one was like 2 1/4 inches, this is a 3 inch. So even though it's quieter, I feel it breathing better. Believe it or not, it's weird. My God. Oh my God. There you have it, guys. Final thoughts. I do like the exhaust. I certainly like the quality. It's got a nice throaty sound. A little bit quiet, but for a daily driver, that's kind of what you want, right? And so next I will do the spark plugs and coil pack and see if that gets rid of the misfire that it's got and that knocking sound from the front. If not, I'm gonna have to adjust the shims in the valve train. So there it is. Thanks for watching.